Hi everyone, welcome back to the lookbook. So today I wanted to play with some bright fun shades. So this is the look I came up with. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Base makeup on, let's start with the eye look. Today I wanted to play with some reddish coral toned colors. So first I'm going to pick this very light rust red shade. You can see that at first I'm taking very little product on my brush and then I'm building it up as I go to reach the intensity level that I want to. Next I'm taking this true coral shade on the same fluffy brush. Because this is a darker shade, I'm first going to place it on the very end and then slowly blend it in.
Here I'm just making sure that the top edges are properly blended in.
Now I'm taking this red shade to add a little depth to the look. I'm taking it on a small pencil. You can see how this eye looks much better than this one. Like this has a gradient effect going on because I added the red shade on top of the pearl shade. Now I want to darken this a little bit, so I'm just taking this really dark maroon shade on the same pencil brush and that's it, just that much, because this palette is really pigmented and I don't want a lot of intensity, just a little bit.
To smoke out the lower lash line, I'm going to take all the matte shades I've used up till now. So the light rust shade goes all over the lower lash line, whereas the darker maroonish shade is used just on the outer corners.
Now for my lids, I'm going to use this shimmer shade. It's a reddish shimmer shade. So this is basically a monochrome eye makeup. I'm just going to take it on my face.
So I ended up adding the shimmer shade from the inner corners to the center of my eyelids.
Okay, so lashes are on. To highlight my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to take this cream shade. So for lipstick, I'm going to apply the Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD in the shade Natural Coco. By now you know that I love this entire lipstick range. It's my absolute favorite. That's it for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, my Instagram handle will be displayed right here. I post makeup related content over my Instagram account, so please go and check that out as well. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.